As we all know, Elon Musk has created 3 unicorn companies in 2 decades and managed Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink at the same time. This makes many friends who want to be successful in their careers want to know, how does Elon Musk work efficiently, and what is the secret behind his astounding business success? Before the show officially starts, please don't be stingy with your likes and subscribe. Your support is the biggest driving force for us to continue. 1. Start your day by doing your most important work. The workload of running 3 companies daily can be imagined. Every day of Elon Musk starts with the most important work, for Elon Musk, that is to deal with the mail. Many people may not understand why handling email is the most important thing to him. As the leader of the company, Elon Musk is very aware that his decisions and opinions are the directions of the work of others in the company, and without his answers or clear instructions, no one else will be able to work efficiently. Every day around 7 o'clock, Elon Musk will start processing emails and answering employees' questions, give directions, set goals, and divide labor, so that the first time other employees start work, they can receive a clear request from the CEO. So, every day starts with doing the most important work, and Elon Musk not only starts his day efficiently but also enables everyone on the company team to start the day efficiently. 2. Be honest with feedback and criticism. As for how to become a better self, Elon Musk said frankly, that is to open the way. As a very busy leader, Elon Musk has no time to waste on useless things, so he is constantly thinking about what he can do to get better results. To achieve his goals, he not only does frequent self-reflection but also asks for advice and feedback from others. He believes that as an entrepreneur, the most important thing is to be able to hear negative feedback from others. Elon Musk likes to hire the best people in the field and have them provide him with real, high-quality feedback continuously. When a leader can accept the free criticism of those around him, the leader, and the team he leads can develop most efficiently. 3. Stick to first principles reasoning. Elon Musk is a great advocate of first principles reasoning. He believes that first principles reasoning will help him elevate things to the most fundamental truth, and then start reasoning from the core. Elon Musk said in an interview, "I tend to study things in terms of a physical framework, which teaches people to reason from fundamental principles, not by analogy." So how exactly does first principles reasoning work? Let's take building a rocket as an example. What is a rocket made of? The answer is aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, plus some titanium, copper, and carbon fiber. Then we can ask the question, what is the value of these materials in the commodity market? At this time, we will find that the material cost of the rocket is about 2% of the price of a traditional rocket finished product. Based on this conclusion, instead of spending tens of millions of dollars on a finished rocket, Elon Musk decided to create his own company, buy raw materials at low prices, build the rocket himself, and the SpaceX company was born. And within a few years, SpaceX has cut rocket launch prices nearly tenfold while still making a profit. Elon Musk is such a person who uses first principles reasoning to fundamentally solve the problem, bypassing the high prices of many aviation and aerospace industries, and creating a more effective solution. 4. Use asynchronous communication. Many friends may not know what asynchronous communication is, and naturally, it is difficult to recognize the benefits of asynchronous communication. Let's talk about the reverse operation of asynchronous communication, that is, synchronous communication. Synchronous communication means that you send a message, and the party receiving the message processes and responds to the message immediately after receiving the message. Typical synchronous communication is face-to-face communication, such as a meeting. You've probably had the experience that working with colleagues in the office is far less productive than working from home alone. That's because our offices are flooded with a lot of simultaneous communication. You may be busy with a task. Currently, your colleague suddenly interrupts you and asks you for a document. You unconsciously stop what you were doing, and help your colleague find the document he wants first, and then return to the original. It took a few minutes to reconnect with the interrupted train of thought. Another disadvantage of synchronous communication is that we tend to give the fastest response, not the optimal one, which affects the depth and accuracy of our work. Common asynchronous communications are text messages and emails. Through asynchronous communication, the party receiving the information can first choose the appropriate time to process the information, avoid being bombarded by too much information, and reduce the concentration of work. Secondly, it can improve the quality of the reply by giving a reply after careful consideration. 5. Improve the efficiency of communication. Elon Musk once joked, "I handle a lot of emails, and I'm very good at email, which is my core competency." According to a study by Carleton University, The typical knowledge worker spends a third of their work time on email each week, which is why mastering the communication skills of email and improving the efficiency of communication can further improve work efficiency. Elon Musk's language is very clear, concise, and direct when dealing with emails. He is always able to use the most concise language and the shortest length to make the most of it, make things clear and highlight important points. He regularly sends emails to the entire company on the company's progress, communication styles, company vision and mission, and how to be more productive. Elon Musk once said, "People do better at their jobs when they know what goals are and why they set them. Everyone must be looking forward to starting the day and enjoying their work." 6. Selective multitasking. Elon Musk is good at juggling multiple tasks at the same time, and whenever possible, Elon Musk combines several tasks into batches. For example, he would choose to answer emails while eating, or have a meeting while eating lunch. Here's what Elon Musk had to say about it. "I found that I could play with my kids and send emails at the same time. I can get work done first while I'm with them." Of course, multitasking is selective, not that any job can be grouped and processed simultaneously. Research has long confirmed that working on multiple tasks at the same time is less efficient than working on one task at a time. The brain needs time to adjust between different tasks, known as task switching. Task switching can make you tired and inefficient. Effective multitasking is when you're doing more than two things at the same time, but your brain is still focused on the one thing that matters the most. Of course, there's a choice. Multitasking is one of the secrets of Elon Musk's success. It doesn't mean that everyone can fully replicate his abilities, and we don't all need to run 3 large businesses at the same time. So if you can't judge which things can be batched, stick to focusing on one thing and do one thing at a time. 7. Time management down to the minute. Running 3 companies at the same time is no mean feat, which means time is of the essence for Elon Musk. The average person will create a rough to-do list for themselves, list the things that need to be done, and have a new to-do list, which can be added to the list at any time. Such a list is not enough for Elon Musk. Elon Musk, like many other incredibly efficient and successful people, follows a very detailed and specific schedule. He schedules his time in units of 5 minutes. By arranging his own time with precision to the minute, Elon Musk not only successfully schedules more tasks into his schedule but also wants to make new items temporary. It is also very difficult to insert into his daily schedule, which greatly improves Elon Musk's concentration at work and keeps him from being interrupted by trivial matters. Elon Musk prioritizes engineering and manufacturing, and he spends 80% of his time in these areas. Elon Musk said, "I don't spend my time talking about cutting-edge technology concepts, but instead, I spend my time solving specific engineering and manufacturing problems." 8. Dare to set challenging goals for yourself. Perhaps one of Elon Musk's most famous personality traits is his tendency to set incredible goals for himself and his company's projects. It uses increasing the difficulty level of the goal, making the goal bigger and harder as a way of shifting perceptions. This recognition is the first step to determine that a thing is possible, and then the possibility will appear. For others, rockets are great when they are designed, but for Elon Musk, it is not enough to design a rocket. It is successful to be able to design a rocket that can be recycled. That's what daring to set challenging goals ends up with. It allows you to step out of your comfort zone. When you continue to do what you have done in the past, you cannot grow. Growth comes from failures in your attempts to improve. If your goal is to achieve 5 grand goals but only achieve 1 or 2 of them in the end, you've surpassed those who didn't try and work hard in the first place. 9. Develop a growth mindset. Elon Musk is never complacent about his status quo, and despite the great achievements of his company, Elon Musk knows that there is always room for improvement in every area and that there is always something better, faster, and cheaper to do. This is the growth mindset. Having this mindset is an important skill that separates successful people from others. When you have a growth mindset, you know you can learn something new if you put in enough effort. If you fail, you approach the problem from a different angle until you find a solution that works. The opposite of a growth mindset is a fixed mindset. In this mindset, people rarely challenge the status quo. Many people use the following excuses to refuse change and growth. They'll say, "That's what people have been doing all along, why change? Can't we just do it?" In a fixed mindset, preconceived notions are considered universal truths, and people don't question those preconceptions, so people stay stagnant. 10. Build an extensive knowledge base. According to Elon Musk's younger brother, since he was a teenager, Elon Musk has been reading 2 books a day on different subjects. Meaning, if you read 1 book a month, Elon Musk reads 60 times as much as you do. At first, Elon Musk's reading covered science fiction, philosophy, religion, programming, biographies of scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs. As he got older, his reading and career interests expanded to physics, engineering, product design, business technology, and energy. His hunger for knowledge gave him access to various subjects that he could not learn in school. Someone once asked Elon Musk why he can learn so much cutting-edge knowledge so quickly. He said, "I often feel like my brain is overloaded and I encourage people to try to push their limits. I think most people can learn far more than they think and people underestimate themselves." Elon Musk realizes that the company's engineers are his knowledge base. He will grab the engineer in the factory and start torturing each other about their expertise in a valve or special material. He will keep asking until he understands about 90% of the engineers. Acquired knowledge. People familiar with Elon Musk can attest that he has an astounding amount of knowledge and can memorize engineer answers almost unmistakably. Kevin Brogan, one of SpaceX's early engineers, once said, "I thought he was challenging me to see if I was proficient in my field, and then I realized that he was trying to learn new things through this method, knowledge." Having seen here, we're here to bring you Elon Musk's 11th tip for college work, which is to think in the shower. In an interview, Elon Musk admitted that his own best ideas usually come in the shower. Showers are considered by Elon Musk to be the daily activity that has had the greatest positive impact on his life. The reason inspiration is more efficient in the shower is that when we sleep, our brains are already running all night trying to come up with solutions in the background, so it only takes a few minutes after waking up in the morning. Flip the brain switch on and you can see the problem clearly, which can be done in the shower. Here is Monoponey. Welcome to like, comment and subscribe. See you next episode.